head 2-in-1 rock and roller. Section hair into multiple layers, leaving the bottom layer down. A heat protective glove has been included with your rock and roller styling iron. For defined spirals, wrap a 1-inch section of hair tightly in between the curves, leaving the ends out. Hold your bed head rock and roller in this position for a few seconds. Then, pull the iron out from the center of the curl. For a textured wave, wrap a 1-inch section of hair around the curves, leaving the ends out. Hold your bed head rock and roller in this position for a few seconds. Then, pull the iron out from the center of the curl. To create a unique style, alternate curling methods of each section. Proceed with the other layers and repeat until desired look is achieved. For hair that's full of itself, use bed head caulking thickening paste to help thicken your do.
VANESSA, truly a one-pass straightener. The rounded edges for beach waves. Get silky smooth straight or bouncy dreamy curls in just one tool.
Stylist for T3, and today I'm going to show you how to create broken waves using T3's volumizing hot rollers lugs. The technique is to twist each section with your finger. Start the roller at the base of the hair and slide it out about 2 inches. Then wrap the twist around the roller. Leave the ends of the twist out of the rollers and don't roll all the way up to the base. When clipping, attach the clip to a piece of hair at the base as well as clipping around the roller. For pieces of hair framing the face, pull the twisted strand away from the face, then roll towards. After hair is cool, remove the rollers and rake your fingers through the strands to achieve a natural, beautiful broken wave in just 5 simple steps.
Okay, now I'm going to section the hair. What you don't want to do is to take a section that's bigger than about 3 centimetres. This side of the appliance, where you can see the open chamber, has to be facing the head. You then take the section, place it straight across inside and clamp down. When you clamp down, you need to let go and you're going to hear it rolling into the chamber. You're also going to hear the beeps, and we're going to get 4 beeps before it's ready. When you hear the beeps in succession, that means that curl is ready and you can release it. You can see how I'm taking this a little bit higher, especially around the front section. I'm going to go again into the hair, let go, allow the beeps. You get 4 beeps when you're working with 10 seconds. And when you release, make sure you open it up fully and allow the curl to release like that. So what I'm going to do first of all is to just create a little bit of volume, so you're going to get that more of a wave curl effect all the way through. And what I'm going to do is to just put her head back as well, and then just rake through the hair very gently with my fingers, so you can see incredible volume and definition that you're going to get on this type of hair. And there you have, fantastic.